Welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. So let's get started. So yes guys, usually in these IT Talk episodes we talk about the different opportunities that are available during this lockdown period. अगर off campus recruitments हो रहे हैं या फिर कोई फ्री ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज अवेलेबल है, इंटर्नशिप्स अवेलेबल है, तो हम उसी के बारे में बात करते हैं. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द रीसेंट न्यूज दैट केम आउट दैट इन्फोसिस इज गोइंग टू कट डाउन मल्टीपल सीनियर रोल्स, although it's mentioned that it's senior roles, because of so many freshers that are here on my channel who are going to join Infosys very soon, so they always keep connecting with me on email and Telegram. So they dropped messages that is it going to affect their jobs. So no guys, it's not going to affect your jobs, but obviously it's going to affect jobs of some people, no matter if they are seniors or juniors. Whenever it's about job losses, it's always stressful, and because of the recent scenario, ये पता था कि this was going to come, and Capgemini had already declared this 4 days ago that 400 senior executives they are going to be removing. Now क्योंकि हम बात करते हैं इस IT Talk episode में about the recent happenings in the IT industry, so let's talk about this as well. Let's break down this whole scenario and try to analyze. So if I talk about the report, if I talk about the news, they say that the company will trim its workforce at job level 7 and above. Now आप जब एज फ्रेशर्स ज्वाइन करते हो तो आपका जॉब लेवल होता है जॉब लेवल 3. नाउ देयर आर कैटेगरीज 3A 3B. उसके बाद में इफ यू गेट प्रमोटेड एज सीनियर सिस्टम इंजीनियर, और let's say if you join as operations executive, then your role will be different. I joined Infosys as system engineer, so I will walk you through that hierarchy. So after that comes the senior system engineer. After that it's technology analyst and technology lead. तो तब तक आपका job level 3, 4, 5 होता है. And after that it's project manager and senior project manager. Senior project manager is job level 6. तो senior project manager जिनको रिपोर्ट करते हैं वो है डिलीवरी मैनेजर. एंड डिलीवरी मैनेजर का जो रोल है, जॉब लेवल है, वो जॉब लेवल 7 है. तो उसको ये लोग JL7 करके डिफाइन करते हैं. तो JL7 and above, that is if I talk about AVPs, associate vice presidents and SVPs are going to get affected, and also the delivery managers. So ये whole scenario है. If we go about कि job levels कौन से affect होने वाले हैं, तो this is the news that has come up. Now if we talk about the 10 to 15%, तो Infosys में 30,000 एम्प्लॉयज है सीनियर रोल्स पे, JL 6, 7 and 8, और उसमें से 13,000 लोग हैं JL 7 and above. So basically 10 to 15% comes out around 1,300 executives. So it is going to impact 1,300 people. How it is going to help in cost cutting is because if we talk on an average, तो बेसिकली डिलीवरी मैनेजर्स की सैलरी होती है समवेयर अराउंड 30 to 40 lakhs, एंड ऑब्वियसली VPs एंड SVPs की इससे भी ज़्यादा होती है. सो ऑब्वियसली इट विल रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट. नाउ दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द थर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ द होल सिचुएशन, दैट इज the frontline leaders get more flexibility. Now who are these frontline leaders? They are basically the glue of the business, because they are responsible for the critical day-to-day operations. So basically because of the large population, they don't get much visibility as per what we can understand from the whole situation. So obviously because there are so many layers included, now the frontline leaders get more flexibility, and obviously it is going to help the company in the cost cutting. But of course the job losses are something that gives me stress already. But then let's discuss in the comment section, what do you guys think, that will other IT companies also follow the same? As I said in the beginning that Cognizant did announce about the 400 they are going to remove around 400 senior executives in their company. Now what do you guys think, that how the situation is going to be, and do you think that other Indian IT companies will follow the same? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys are here for the first time, consider subscribing, because we talk about these recent happenings and we keep talking about opportunities on these episodes a lot more. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section. And comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.